Samantha Napoli. Hop in your boat and drift on down the Atchafalaya River to a place full of spicy Cajun flavor, once Cypress capital of the world and home of the Cypress Sawmill Festival. And as Dr. Seuss says, oh, the places you'll go. You can play a round of golf, try your arm in a no-hitter, or step back in time when Cypress was king at our fantastic state museum. We'll have exotic creatures, one-of-a-kind treasures, toe-tapping tunes, taste-tempting treats, log-rolling lumberjacks, and out-of-sight fireworks. Proudly representing the Houdat Nation of Patterson, Louisiana. I am Sam Napoli, your Miss your Miss Patterson Cypress Sawmill Festival Queen 17. She said that.